Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the vacuum bag on the Mova Z60 Ultra Roller Complete. If you're interested in the Z60 or want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, on here, front and center, we have a cover. There's a grip down at the bottom. You can just pull it towards yourself to remove it. So just pulls gently like that. A little bit of force there to get that out and removed. Pull it away, and that's going to reveal the vacuum bag right here. Now grab the vacuum bag from the gray handle and you can pull it out of the unit. Chances are it'll look like that. It'll keep everything in the vacuum bag so you're not spilling any contents or dust into the air. You can dispose of your old bag, clean out in here if you want, take your new bag and repeat that in reverse order. So just line it up and it just gently goes right in like so. Take this guy, line it up. This side's for the solution tank. This side's for the vacuum bag. And just gently press that back in place. So it's simple and straightforward to install and swap out the vacuum bag.